Okay, Melissa, what are you doing today?
Doing EBOO therapy. So I've been sitting here for about a half hour now.
What is that foam in that bucket and all that blood that's up in that filter looking thing?
So this is all the waste container. That's all the detox. This is going through the UV light to basically cleanse with antiviral and antimicrobial effects, and also to enhance vitamin D. And we're doing about 2 liters of blood.
How do you feel right now?
I feel good. I'm a little lightheaded, but that's about it. Not a big deal at all, even though it looks a little scary.
What are you hoping to accomplish by taking this treatment?
Decrease brain fog and increase my energy level.
Have you noticed anything from the previous zone treatments that you've had?
Yes, I'm starting to feel a little calmer now and a little happier.
Cool.